Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make repair kits in Hytale. Repair kits can completely repair your tools to peak condition. However, as per the item's description, it takes away 10% of the tool's maximum durability. So it's not a completely free repair, but it's better than nothing. First things first, you need to have some iron ore, as this will be the hardest to get due to it being deep underground. When I explored the depths of the dark caves, the iron ore was close to magma or stones that were radiating a red glow. So that'll be your sign that iron ore should be nearby. Linen scraps can be collected by slaying any of the Orbis species, which are these guys. They're pretty easy to slay as you can just kite them or block their attacks. And finally, would be light leather, which you can get by placing down light hide on a tanning rack. Give it some time and it will spit out light leather. And there you go. You have yourself a repair kit. And that's how to make repair kits in Hytale.